This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Paula Kotzin. Beautiful pool home in a small community with a Cul De Sac at the end of the street. Roof replaced in 2017, pool heater replaced 2015, master bath renovated, kitchen has been updated 2015 with cabinets that have slow glide closure, upgraded backsplash, gas range and quartz countertops.Screened pool and lani. The ceilings are 10 feet. The Savannas are close to restaurants, shopping and Sean's library.This is really a wonderful place to call home. For more information, review the details below or contact Paula Kotzin at 407-876-2090.